How to uninstall Telegram application from Android device. Are you guys facing issues to delete Telegram on your Android devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now click on search bar and search for Telegram. Once you search for it, tap on Telegram and simply click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, your app will be instantly deleted from your device. You can also delete the app using the second step. Go over your Telegram app, hold it for a second. Now tap on app info and look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the icon for uninstall. Tap on it and click on OK. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna uninstall Telegram app from our Android device. If you guys have any issues regarding Telegram app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.